Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my pepper lamb recipe. You may also use mutton instead of lamb. Come, let's go to the recipe. Now I'm going to dry roast the herbs, the spices. This is coriander seed, 2 tablespoons. Dry roast until you get the fragrance. Next is 2 tablespoons of peppercorn, black peppercorn. This is fennel seed, 2 teaspoons. This is done. Next one is cumin seed, 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, this is done. So now I'm going to put the whole spice. I have some cinnamon here. This is, I don't know what's the name, but in Tamil, to what I know, it's called Marathi moggu. And this is black stone flower. And this is clove, about 4 cloves and 2 cardamon. So I'm going to pan fry this. You just have to fry this for 1 minute. It will do. All of this, I'm going to dry grind this and I'll be back. 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to fry the curry leaf and put aside. I'm going to use this at the end. Now I'm going to fry the onion. About 1 onion. I'm going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1. So I'm not going to pour any water here. So I'm just letting it simmer. I'm going to put all the spices that just now I ground. Put 2 tablespoons of water. That's the only thing because I don't want to waste this spice over here. So this is going to go in. So for 5 minutes, every 1 minute I'm going to stir. It's been 5 minutes. I came and stir a few times so that it won't get burned at the bottom. So if you're going to cook this, cook in a non-stick pan. Will be better. So I'm going to put another 5 minutes and I'll come and check. It's been 10 minutes. I'm going to, in total 10 minutes is 5 minutes up. So I'm going to let it be for another 10 minutes and I'll come back. Alright, so after the 10 minutes then I'm going to put the salt. Now in total this is about 15 minutes. So it's now, you see, the water is out, so there's not much of burning or, catching on the base. So the crucial part is the first 10 minutes. You have to come and every minute to make sure to stir the lamb. So this is working well now. So I'm going to wait for another 5 minutes, then I'll come back and put, after that 5 minutes, I will put the salt. Alright, so this is like, basically I want the spice to be in the meat itself. So we'll be back in another 5 minutes. So that means in total, at the moment is 15. So I'll come back. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of rock salt, maybe 1.5 teaspoon. And I've set the time for 10 minutes. So in total, if I include this 10 minutes, it's going to be 30 minutes of this kind of cooking. So now it's still in the low heat. I'm not going to increase the heat. We're going to have this on the stove for 10 minutes and come every 2 minutes and stir in. I'll be back. So in total, it's about 30 minutes. The lamb is already all cooked. I'm going to now pour in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And now I'm just going to saute until I get a dry gravy. So I'm going to increase the stove. I've been sauteing for 10 minutes in a very low heat. So now this is how it should be. So when you see the oil separating from the dish, that is the correct consistency of this dish. I forgot to mention, add in 3 green chili. I add in at the last point. That means I'll add it in at 30 minutes after cooking. So you may continue sauteing until now. And you may check for the salt. I think the salt that I use is less. So you can safely put 1 teaspoon. And you can adjust 2 teaspoons. And you may adjust according to your taste. Oh, it looks good. Try my recipe, share with your friends. Let me know in the comment if you have any question regarding this recipe. Maybe you might want to ask me about the spices. I'll be glad to reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.